Just for today, November 26th. Responsibility. A lot happens in one day, both negative and positive. If we do not take the time to appreciate both, perhaps we will miss something that will help us grow. IP number 8. Just for today. Responsibility, responsibility. The responsibilities of life are everywhere. We're supposed to wear seatbelts. We're supposed to clean our homes. We're supposed to do certain things for our spouse, our children, the people we sponsor. On top of all this, we're supposed to go to meetings and practice our program as best we can. It's no wonder that sometimes we want to run from all these tasks and escape to some far-off island where we're not supposed to do anything. At times like these, when we've become overwhelmed with our responsibilities, we have forgotten that responsibility need not be burdensome. When we have a desire to run away from our responsibilities, we need to slow down, remember why we have chosen them, and pay attention to the gifts they bring. Whether it's a job we normally find challenging and interesting, or a partner whose personality we are usually excited by, or a child whom we naturally like to play with and care for, there is joy to be found in all the responsibilities of our lives. Just for today. Each moment is special. I will pay attention, grateful for my responsibilities and the special joys they bring.